Yes! What, guys? Alright, so today I'm going to do the Spicy Ramen Challenge times dos. I mean, I'm gonna eat one because I don't do spicy food. I can barely handle jalapenos. I'm serious, I'm dead serious. I can barely handle jalapenos. But first, let me get in my favorite outfit. Woo! Alright, so this is the thing. Let me just show you what I got on. Ooh, I'm so excited. Anyways, I love Deadpool. If you guys didn't know that, I'm a Deadpool fan and everything. I was going through Walmart and I found this. I just passed by it and I was like, shoop! Got it, and now I have it. All right, so to get these ready, I'm gonna start cooking it, and we'll see how everything goes. Make this stuff. Waiting for the boil. Oh my god! Okay. And just so you guys know, this isn't gonna be the last time I'm gonna do this. My friend's coming down from Chicago, and she's gonna do it with me. So she's hilarious. She's a cool person, one of my really good friends, and trust me, you guys will enjoy her. One of my buddies was supposed to do it with me, but he backed out because he is a wuss. He can't handle it. Okay, waiting for this to boil. Let's go. I can start practicing looking at the camera because I'm not that good at it right now. So. I just went straight times two, and I'm nervous. You know, honestly, I hope my buddies don't find this video. I hate when people find my videos. But it is what it is. I haven't even eaten yet. Whoa, my tummy gonna be bad. Alright, it's boiling now. Oh, and the camera I'm using right now is the Canon G7X Mark II. If you guys are just wondering, I got it I think it's been a month now since I had it. But the Deadpool thing, he is my idol. Like, he's the superhero. You know what I'm saying? Woo, noodles are getting done. Oh, 1 second. I had to post a snappy about it, come on. But, yep, there she is. Getting ready for the spicy. But, yep, that was lame, I'm sorry. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, that should be good. Alright, got rid of the water. I feel like this is a bad mistake, guys, I'm not gonna lie. That doesn't even look like a lot of noodles. Like, I should put 2 packets. That's it. Like, it's a little bowl. Like, I was expecting a lot more noodles because it looked like it was a lot. Oh man, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut it because I don't want to get on my fingers. Oh man. Ooh, that hurts my nostrils, yo. Ooh, look at that. It looks like blood. Oh my god, guys. This looks like death. Like I'm about to eat hell. Oh, I got it on my finger. I don't want to lick it. Now we put the garnish after we stir it up. It's seaweed and sesame seeds. Oh man, I'm not ready for this. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna suck. I don't even know if I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. A lot of people say it's really spicy, but it's really good. You gotta snap one more time. Oh, and if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, it's MarkyMark151. Dude, I can barely handle jalapenos. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, so here it is, the Spicy Ramen Challenge. Wait, I have to get water. Ugh. I actually said screw it, and I got Hawaiian Punch instead. Hopefully it works better. I just noticed I love red. It's my favorite color. All right. Oh man, I'm so scared. Oh man. All right, all right, all right. My heart's kind of racing. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Woo! Woo! Okay. Oh man, I don't want to do it. Okay, okay, okay. All right, stop being a pussy. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. That is spicy, bro. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good though. Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh god. Oh. I can do this. Whew. Oh, I'm crying. There you go. All done. Dude, I'm like tearing up. Oh god. I still have the hiccups. Alright guys. Oh, like and subscribe if you Oh, like and subscribe if you like this video. Oh god, woo. It's like lingering, bro. It was really good. Oh god. Yo, my nose is running. Oh god. But like and subscribe, please. Peace.